Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show y'all how to quickly and easily create a food truck pro forma financial projection, specifically financial projections for the next 12 months on a month-to-month breakdown, profit and loss statement, pro forma, and then also annually for a pro forma income statement. So in order to accomplish, in order to have your food truck pro forma financial projections done quickly and easily, you do need to use a template, and I do sell a template. It's just so happens to be. I do sell a food truck business plan template on my website, and what I want to do in this video is introduce y'all to my pro forma financial model that is customized for food trucks. And I think you're going to see that after about 15-20 minutes of customizing my food truck financial model, you're going to be ready to go off to the next level, and you'll be done with your pro forma financial statements. So the way the video is going to work out is first I'm going to give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, I'm then going to introduce you all into my food truck business plan template, specifically the Excel file or the financial model portion. In another video, I do go through the Word document showing you all the business plan template. But again, in this video right here, we're going to focus on the Excel file. I'm going to show you all how to use just briefly how to use the template so you can customize it and have your financial projections ready for your food truck. All right, so let's go ahead and move through this little tutorial I've got ready for y'all. So first, a little bit about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. Experience, I am again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer, as well as a professional financial modeler. I do construct financial models for small businesses. I've been doing it for about 11 years. So if you do need some assistance with filling out a business plan template or constructing your pro forma financial projections and you don't want a template, I do write custom business plans and do custom financial models as well. If you are looking for a better understanding of your financial projections, your financial statements, or if you're looking for a business book to help you write your business plan or customize a business plan template, I do sell books on Amazon.com, so check me out there. And then finally, education, adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So I am well versed in, creating business plan templates from a perspective of business as well as finance. All right, so with that said, when you do purchase my food truck business plan template, it does come with a Word document, like I said, and also it comes with an Excel sheet with a financial model in it. At the end of the video, I will give you a link in order to purchase the documents if you like. In this portion of the video, we are going to go through the Excel file. So for the Excel file, let's start broad real quick. So there are 4 tabs to the Excel file. It's going to have an information tab, projections tab, profit and loss year 1 tab, and then an income statement tab. Any information that is changed on the information tab in the dark blue areas, any of that information can be changed, and when you do change it, it will update the projections tab right here. It'll also update your month-to-month profit and loss statements for the next 12 months. It'll break it down to month 1 to month 3, quarter 1, and so on. And all the information that you change in this tab right here is going to update your pro forma income statement tab for your projections for the next 5 years. So this right here, this is the tab that's you're going to make all your changes. And the way this is broken up is into daily sales right here. Then we've got our labor segment, startup cost segment, monthly fixed cost segment here. Then we have some miscellaneous information for the tax rate, growth rates right here, and then your loan information. When you plug in your interest rate in the term, it'll calculate your payment for you. All right, so in the revenue segment of the food truck business plan Excel model, you do have 3 variables you can change. The number of customers per day is under number. So if you're going to service 80 customers, keep 80. If you're going to service 70 customers a day on average, then type in 70. When you change this number right here, the financial models update as well. Average price is how much is each average customer going to drop with your food truck. For this example, is $20. And then the variable cost is, I'm saying that the estimated variable cost per customer is going to be about 40%. Next is operating days per week. If you're going to be in operations 5, then leave 5. If you're going to be pushing 6 days for your food truck, change that to 6. And again, the financial model updates accordingly. Next is your labor. Salary right here is how much you're going to pay yourself and your executive team. And then employees, however many employees you're going to have on average rate of pay. And then 172 hours means that they're going to be full-time for the month. If it's going to be a different amount of hours, you feel free to change it. Different pay, change it here. Different number of employees, change it here. If you're not going to have any employees at all, just put a 0. Startup cost, the first 4 sections are fixed. These first 2 right here, equity investment and the loan, that is going to be the fund, how you're going to fund your organization. And then the rest right here is going to be the startup cost. I do have this broken up into various categories: your working capital, your truck, your training, menu design. Any of these darker colored ones down here, you can change the titles, and then all of the cost right here, you can definitely change. Keep in mind, when you put a dollar amount here for your loan, that will automatically be pulled down here, and it'll help you calculate your interest payments or your payments for your loan. Next section is your monthly fixed cost. These titles cannot be changed, but right here you can go ahead and put dollar amounts aligned with the various fixed costs, utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting, and such. This information right here is your growth rates on an annual basis. This is your tax rate. Feel free to change it. And then finally, the loan information. Like I said, when you put a loan amount right here, it will automatically populate here. And then you can put your interest rate for your loan and the term, however many years it's going to be. You can put it here, and then automatically calculate your payment and update the financial model accordingly. So when you're all done making these changes right here on the information page, then all you got to do is just copy and paste your quarterly, your month-to-month profit and loss statements into the Word document portion of the template, and it'll be all up to date, ready to go. And the income statement, again, copy and paste this into the Word portion of the business plan template for the food truck. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful and insightful. And so let's go ahead and wrap this up real quick. All right, so in summary, if you are going to write a food truck business plan, I strongly suggest a template. Check out mine. If you do need some help with a custom business plan writing, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Love to help. All right, so if you do want to buy the food truck business plan template, just visit my website, qualitybusinessplan.com/food truck business plan template. When you do get the template and you want to go ahead and use some tutorials that are free, that are aligned with each one of my segments of the business plan template, visit me at qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan writing tutorials. And I've got tutorials for each one of my sections for the business plan, whether it's the Word document or the financial model. And then finally, if y'all do need some help with writing a custom business plan, or you do need some professional assistance with your pro forma financial projections, then visit my prices page, qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan prices, or just go ahead and give me a call right here. So hopefully this information was helpful. As always, have a great day and make a little bit of money. Thank you.